The Carnival Cruise Line has now ordered 3 new ships of a brand new class, called the Ace Class. At 230,000 gross tons, they are expected to carry the largest number of passengers. Each will carry almost 8,000 passengers, 400 more than Icon. 3 images have appeared on the internet. Allegedly, they have been leaked from the Fincantieri shipyard, which will be building the ships. I seriously doubted that these images were genuine until Carnival recently held a press conference and displayed the silhouette of the Ace Class.